Hi ladies, happy holidays. Shelli, Pelly, Annie Parker Confidential. All right, so today I have for you one of my favorite go-to elegant but healthy meals that I make usually in the wintertime. It is a West Coast tomato-based cioppino. Now, cioppino, as you know, is essentially a fish stew. And this is very easy and it is so healthy. And the best part of all is, especially if you're having casual company, so if we're having my parents over, I will make it the day before and then put the fish in the day of when I go to serve it. And it is delicious, fast, and easy. All right, let's wash our hands and let me show you how I made it. Okay, ladies, here we are. We're making our West Coast tomato-based cioppino. Now, there are three components to this dish. There are the vegetables, the actual broth, and then there's your seafood. So we're going to start off with the vegetables. So you're going to want about a half a cup of diced celery, and I will put the entire recipe for this below the video description. Ladies, this is so freaking easy. It's almost embarrassing, almost. I'm kind of shameless, so it's not that embarrassing. But this is easy, it is healthy, and like I said, it is casual elegance that you will love. Very healthy too. It's basically all protein that you're eating. All right, so we're gonna have about half a cup of celery. We're going to do, nice skills. We're going to do 1 yellow bell pepper, and this is really, you can do it to taste. So I like to use about 2.5 pounds of seafood in this. You can use a little less, a little more. I use a little more because my husband is like 6'2", 220 pounds, and so he will fuss if there's not enough protein in the dish. So I make a little more, but do it according to taste. And then you're going to want to simply dice 1 onion. I can cut it out, but I'll Venmo you. No, I should have told you, sorry. Thank you. That was my dog groomer. I probably should have told her that I was making a recipe video. She's looking at me like, what the hell is she doing? Taking pictures of myself while I'm cooking. What else? All right. Those are the onions. All right, then we're just going to want a little bit of garlic. You want 2 cloves of garlic, but I like using my smart shortcuts. So I put a little squeeze of garlic. All right, these are your vegetables. Put it aside. All right, and the next thing is simply your base for your soup. We're going to take 1 can of diced canned tomatoes. This is how easy it is, and you can see how healthy this is for you. 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, no sugar added. And again, the full recipe is underneath the video description. I promise you, if you try this, and if you like seafood, if you don't like seafood, you're not gonna like it. But if you love seafood, this will be one of your go-tos during the winter, I'm telling you. All right, and then we're going to take 4 cups of chicken stock. Stand by. 4 cans of chicken stock. Unsalted or salted. If it's salted, just make sure to taste before you add any salt to make sure that you can adjust it properly. So we're going to do about 4 cups of this, 1 cup of white wine, and this just gives it a very nice little bright undertone and a little more depth and richness to the flavor profile. Oh shoot, there's going to be half a bottle left. What shall we do with that? I don't know. All right. That, and then you're just going to add your spices and your herbs. So we have about a teaspoon of oregano. I know it's oregano, I'm just screwing with you. All right, oregano, a little dried basil, gives it a nice little punch. And be sure when you're putting your dried herbs in to squeeze them. It releases some of the oil and the flavors from the herb. And we're going to do a little paprika. All right, now I eyeball this. Ladies, I have made this so many freaking times, I can't even tell you. So I really just kind of do it by memory. That's about, I think I do about a couple tablespoons of it. All right, this has clearly been in there a little while. All right, a little paprika. And then because I like everything a little spicy, because that's just how I roll, I put some red pepper flakes in, probably a third of a teaspoon, I'd say. I try to keep it not too spicy because my husband's English and they kind of like bland food. So he doesn't like anything spicy. So how we ever got together, I don't know. And that's it. Okay, so let's go over to the stove. We're going to saute our vegetables. We're going to pour the sauce in. We're going to let it come to a boil. Let me show you. Is to chop your seafood. All right, now ladies, you can use any combination. I'm using 2.5 pounds of seafood, and you can do it within any combination that you want. I happen to like salmon, a white fish, so this is an Atlantic cod, and then we like large shrimp in ours. But you can do any combination that you like. So I had my fishmonger take the skin off the back of the salmon just to make it easier for me. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to slice it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, ladies, and that is our tomato-based West Coast Cioppino. Easy, healthy, delicious, full of protein, and just perfect for the winter. All right, the recipe is below the video description, and for everything wellness, beauty, style, fitness, and healthy living, visit me on the blog, AnnieParkerConfidential.com, and I'll see you on the blog.